Kia ora whānau, got caught a bit short for time tonight, so we had to quickly pull something out of the bag to learn the days, weeks, months and seasons of the year. Here we go.
Kia ora whānau. Hey, I'm sorry it's a late one, but to those that were here tonight, you had to be here, otherwise it probably looks a bit mad, but here's some little actions. Doesn't matter how little or crazy it is, as long as it helps you to remember. Some people can't kind of remember the days of the week, but we tell a bit of a story about it, put an action to it, and maybe it might help us. So the days of the week that we talked about are Rahina, coming from the ancient name for Mahina, for the moon, changing it to Ra for each day. Mahina, Mahina, Rahina, Rahina. Ka pai, then we went to Ra 2. We're not going to get into it. Ra Apa, Ra Pare, Ra Mere, Hui, Ra Horoi, Ra Tapu. Ka pai. Then we went into the seasons, the months, ngā kaupeka. We talked about it, but like I say, you had to be here. Pipiri, pipiri, hongo ngoi, here turi koka. Woo! Ka pai. Mahuru, mahuru, is that spring growth? Whiringa, ānuku, whiringa, ārangi. Cool. Haki here, ooh, Christmas time. Haki here, hauhaki. Kohi tātia, kohi tātia. Hue tangaru, hui. Pou tū te rangi. Pai ngā whāwha, haratua. Ka mai te wihi whānau. I know it's crazy, but like I say, you got to be here. The ngā wāhanga o te tau, the seasons, hōtoke, hōtoke, koanga, koanga, ka pai. Guess this one, raumati, hui, raumati, ngāhuru, ngāhuru, ngāhuru. Ka mau te wihi whānau. I'll probably get sacked, or Facebook will probably close me down for putting actions up like that, but who cares, as long as it works and it helps you learn the days of the week, the months of the year and the seasons. Who actually cares? Mauri ora whānau, give it heaps, and don't take those actions to matatini, you might get us chucked off the stage. Mauri ora whānau.
Nā ngā tipuna e, tihei, Mauri ora.